So, welcome back to the second part of the engagement management training video. We created this watermark and we showed scanning it and we saw what the result was. So now I want to edit this engagement. So we're going to choose to edit this engagement, and there are a number of things that I can do here. So we'll look at those each in turn. So here's the watermark we created. So first of all, I can edit description and name. I can change any of these values, but I can also change the media file that I want to watermark, and I can even change the product to which the watermark links, or in fact I could even change it to link to a category. So we're going to do a few of these things all at once, so stay with me here. So let's first of all pick a different image to watermark. So I'm going to click on upload. Now I have, whilst you were away, downloaded another image here, which I'm going to use. So let's pick that one. And this is going to upload. So here we have the current media file, and here we have replace current media file. So this new media file has uploaded. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to link to a category. So I've changed it to category. Now instead of choosing a product, I choose a category. So this is going to show me all the categories that are currently available for this merchant. So I'm going to choose mobile, and then I'm going to do save. And when I save, it's going to upload the new source image. It's going to overwrite the old one, and it's going to watermark the new source image. And then it's going to be available for me to download and use. So the new ad has been successfully the ad has been successfully updated. Here's my new thumbnail. This is a previous one you can see a few days ago. So this is the one we're focusing on, ID 11, same one. And now we're going to go and download this. So let's view. And then we won't read all the blurb this time. We'll just download this watermark. It's going to download it into my downloads folder. It's going to open it automatically on the screen, which is quite nice for us. We're going to view full size. And now I'm going to pick up my app and I'm going to scan this. So what do we expect to happen? We expect that we are going to see a different product. In fact, we're going to see a category this time, aren't we? So let's scan it. Phone up, scan it right away. Absolutely lightning fast. And now we're seeing a category as follows. This is the telecoms or the mobile category. And we can choose a product. If we like that product, we can add to cart. We can go back, we can look at other products in the category. And you know what? If we like those, we can add those to cart too. And then we can go away, do a bunch of other stuff, come back and check out, or we could check out right now. So let's go to the cart, let's complete the transaction, check out right now. As easy as that. So across the two videos, part one, part two, we've seen creating watermarks, editing watermarks. Let's go back here. You've seen how we can change name, description, change the source image. Here we go, this is the new description. Change it from product category, we could change it back again. Here's the thing I really want to show you. I get a lot of questions about image size and scanning, and we emphasize very, very frequently that you need to use the print-ready artwork for watermarking. What that means is you can't watermark this image and then print it much smaller and expect it to work. Let's give it a try, shall we? So let's view it again, actual size. Okay, so the bulb pretty much spans the size of this window. Now let's zoom it down to, what's that, maybe 50%? Let's go a bit more. Okay, 25%. Let's try scan it, see what happens. It's going to be touch and go. Well, it worked. Definitely not as quickly. Let's try it again. Let's go back. I'm going to make it smaller still. I'm about 40 centimeters away, 30, 20. It'll get to a point, it just won't even scan when you go too small. So I'm going to hold my phone now. I'm about 30 centimeters away, maybe 40. And I'm going to zoom in. See what happens. Boom, there we go. It just shows you, you really can't rescale these images after watermarking. Let's, why don't we go the other way? Let's make it bigger. So if full size is good, then big should be better, right? Let's give that a try. So how much bigger do you think we can make it? Let's see. Right, in fact, you need to still see the mobile. So let's do this. Right, that's 100%. Let's go way in. How about this, right? Let's try scanning it. I really can't tell you what the result is going to be. It's once you start rescaling images, all bets are off. So I'm now going to zoom out until it scans. Let's just make the screen a bit brighter. Okay. Zooming out. Oh, there we go. So maybe it's scanned at 200%. But I would never resize an image that much. You really shouldn't be resizing more than about 5 or maximum 10% either way. Now I'm just going to put this video on pause because I'm going to print this image. I'm going to print it in multiple sizes, and now we'll see the effect of printing in multiple sizes, so scaling and printing. And I'm going to print this on a cheap 40 English pounds high street inkjet printer. So here we go. I have a fun experiment I'm going to try. You can see here that I've created a Word document in which I've got full size image, medium, tiny, and then I've blown up the image here. It really doesn't matter if I take just a segment because the watermark is repeated through. And I printed this on my printer, which is an Epson HP 630. It's a very cheap home printer. It's about 40 or 50 pounds. Let's go back to our demo here. Right, I've got my phone here. I'm going to attempt to scan each one of these images in turn. So I'm going to first of all start far, far away from these because I don't really want them to be detected. And I'm going to first try the 100% size. So let's come in and do this from about 30 centimeters. There we go, straight away. I didn't even have time to move the phone fully over the image, and that's linked to the correct category. Now let's try the medium-size image. So I'm going to try to mask. How am I going to do this? We're going to go for this one here. It's in the viewfinder. It's not detecting it. Maybe I'll go closer. Closer. So it did, but a lot more difficult to detect. Now let's try the super small one over here on this side of the paper. So I'm going to come in gradually. Where is it? Here we go, down here. Right. Yeah, you know, it detected it, but it took a while and I had to get close. Now let's try the big image here. So big image at the bottom right here. It's not doing, is it? It's not working. So, I mean, you can see, you know, the medium one, small one, full size. Look, see, as I move it up, you've got to print these things the right size. It detects so fast. So that's it. That is the conclusion of this video. That's everything I wanted to show you.